In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery of your Subaru Key Fob that looks just like this one. So first thing is you'll need to take the key fob, and you can notice here there's a small slot where you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a knife, something, to jam it inside and twist. By twisting, the casing will open in two. Just like so, and you'll be able to see the battery on this side. To remove the battery, you just need again your flathead screwdriver, and here there's a small space where you can slide it right under the battery without damaging anything. As you can see, this one takes a CR2025 3 volts battery. Alright, if you want to put the battery back, it's easy. You need to put it facing down. So the plus sign right here should be looking downwards. Insert it back, and then you'll have to clip the whole casing back. Like so. It's really easy. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if this video helped you.